Anyway, next one is Big Maggie. Now this is no, I'm not describing our next speaker by any manner of means. It's Margaret Duncan, and it's Big Maggie.
Now before I start, there are 3 Maggies in the group here, and this doesn't apply to any of us. And if there are any Maggies in the audience, I'm sure it doesn't apply to you either. Big Maggie, or the Wifie Roond the Corner. There's a Wifie Roond the Corner, aye as busy as can be. She's always trying new ideas, but other folks, you see. If somebody has got it, and she gets it in a ree, it thinks Maggie, if it's good for her, it's good enough for me. Her poor man's driven round the bend to keep up with the Joneses. He's done so many alterations, he doesn't care which home's his. He's copied brand new kitchens, tried his hand at double glazing, redecorated 50 times a year. It's just amazing. Their carpets just like Mrs. Smith's, their suites like Mrs. Jones's, and they'd acquired more gadgets than you'll see at Ideal Homeses. Yet nothing seems to please her for any length of time. She's made her brain redundant and goes to work on mine. When the neighbours see her coming, they suddenly go out. The wire goes up and down the street, Big Maggie is about. Lock your doors and shut your windows and hide your new wee wean. For if Big Maggie sees him, she'll want him just the same.